we hungry?
I guess hungry?
Holy shit. Are you okay? What do you want? You want a treat? Babe, are you hungry? Say yeah! You wanna eat? Okay, calm down.
I'm so hungry I could eat pagagwa. Oh my.
No, you jumped over these double big.
There you go! Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you want pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want hat? Ping.
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
No, you.
Where did you get that?
I think you know.
Careful.
Gotta let it go, baby.
Who did?
Bad dog.
It's okay.
She ain't moving.
No, she is not.
Oh my god! You have 2 cookies and I don't have any.
Meow. Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
What? What is going on?
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Okay.
Can you read this? Oh my god!
You don't belong in there.
Baby. Bless you, 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 bless you.
What are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magno!
Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
Is the cactus your best friend?
Oh my god. so chunky. I'm so sorry.
Is it time for smelling salts?
What's this?
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall.
I'm just sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
Good boy, Kenneth.
Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me?
Those were her hands. This. Come on. She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
Come on out.
Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. Oh, hello.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep it? I don't know.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Oh God.
Be careful, buddy.
Oh my God.
Little black, hang on. Oh gosh.
My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you!
Get out! Get out! Get out! No!
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please. No! No! Hey! Hey! Oh!
Oh my God. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop. Stop. Hello. Oh my God. Oh.
Fish flew right above you, huh?
Córrele. Cierra la puerta ahora. Close the door.
¡Ey! Te estás chingando mi... Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my God! So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
No, you're evil. Evil, evil. Oh!
Did you steal the Wi-Fi? Did you?
What are you doing?
Mila! Mila! Quit!
No! Oh no! No!
Hello? Ow!
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Oh, I got her! Oh.
You're my new best friend. Oh, hello. Hello. He's gonna drown himself. Stop. Why? Oh,
Huh?
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Luffy, stay. Stay!
you happy, Kermit? I am too. I am.
Go.
Hey, what's up? Tucker, place. ¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No. She's biting. What are you doing?
Try not to let your cat pet you.
I'm just kidding. You could pet me. I'm sorry.
You are a fox. Funny.
What it's like having an XL bully.
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a stance.
Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you. Do you have my back? Come on, let's go. I know they're gonna fight us. Come on.
Hey. Oh, 你怎么这么可爱？
Good one.
Și să mi-i pliculești cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită, mai du-te și...
We made it past midnight. You tired? Let's go to bed, Kermit.